Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll talk about MAID scholarship program in Poland in 2024. The scholarship program is offered by the Vistula University of Poland. This university is a non-public university and it has offers a variety of courses which is taught in English for the international students. So if you're looking for a scholarship program in Poland for your bachelor's or for your master's, then this is the good opportunity for you can look at. Now let's see in details. I already prepared this PDF file. If you want to check or if you want to download, you can get the link from my channel description. So now let's see the details of this scholarship program. So details about MAID scholarship program in 2024. The country host is Poland. The deadline is for the scholarship is 1st of August 2023 and 15th of January 2024. So if anyone missed the opportunity in 2023, then still have time for to apply in 2024. So you can prepare all your documentation from now. And now financial coverage, it will cover your all tuition fees and other expenses. Eligibility on nationality, except Polish citizen. Now let's see what are the benefits you can get from the scholarship program. So from this scholarship program, it will cover your tuition fees, your books expenses, your transportation expenses, your accommodation expenses, as well as other necessary expenses, but it depends on your academic excellence and your work experiences. So if you have a good score in your academic and if you have a work experiences, then you will get all these benefits from this scholarship program. Now let's see what are the eligibility criteria for the scholarship program. So the scholarship is based on academic merit, academic excellence, personal presentation, and financial need. So students with a good level of English, that means you need IELTS score, minimum score 6.0 for this particular scholarship program. And it's recommended for high achiever. That means the good score in your academic and also your work experiences, then you will actually able to get the scholarship program for you. Now let's see what are the deadline for the scholarship program. So the deadline is 1st of August 2023 and 15th of January 2024. So I already mentioned this one before, right? Now let's see how you can apply for the scholarship program. So if you look for 100% merit-based scholarship program, then you have to register early and you have to apply. This is merit-based scholarship program, so you have to apply a little early before the deadline. So yeah, and you need to update your resume. You need your reference letter, and also register at the earliest on the official website. So I already mentioned this one, right? Like you have to apply, you have to register and apply early for the scholarship program. So I already attached the scholarship details link in here, so you can directly check their requirement from their official website, and also I attach the application link in here, so directly you can apply from here for your program. So now let's see what are the details for the scholarship program in their official website. So you can see this Vistula University Merit Scholarship page. So you will get all this information for the scholarship program. You can see the deadline is 1st of August 2023 and 15th of January 2024. Study in Poland. When courses will start. For 2023, it will start in October, and for 2024, it will start in March. So you can see all this information from here. Brief the description of this course, you can see from here. low-cost institution. So you can see all this information in here. Level of the study they offer only for bachelor's and master's degree program. So number of awarded, it will be awarded up to 70 applicants. So you can see this details in here. So scholarship value and duration, it will be for 100% tuition fee discount for the first year of the studies, but it will actually extend it if your um, academic performance and your extracurricular performance are good during the studies. So it will actually extend it for this scholarship program. Now let's see what are the eligibility criteria for the scholarship program. You can't be you must be an international student, non-Polish citizen. So have proven outstanding academic and extracurricular performance and have minimum IELTS 6.0 certificate or equivalent internationally recognized certificate. So you need IELTS score and your extracurricular activities and your academic goal score for this particular scholarship program. So just keep that in mind. So how you can apply all this information in here. So you have to apply in online. So you can directly apply from here in their official website. You have to pay them the registration fee. Uh, you must apply for a course first. You have to get the acceptance from Bristol University, and then you will be eligible for the scholarship program. So just remember that. And record and upload a short video defining yourself and your achievements. So you have to record a short video about yourself and about your achievements in your academic and your work experiences. So you have to record that video and you have to upload in their website. So just remember that. And you have to agree with terms and conditions of Vistula made scholarship regulation. So that's actually important. That's all you need to know for the scholarship program. So if you have any inquiry about Vistula Merit Scholarship Program, you can directly email to this email address. They will respond you as soon as possible if you have any inquiry. So yeah, that's all you need for the scholarship program. Apply directly from here. So you can directly from this link I attach. Information. First, you have to register. So I already registered before. So I will use that registration email ID and password. This is their official site. You can see. So you have to choose first. You have to find the program first. Which program you want to apply for. So I will choose a master's program and I will find the programs. So you can see all the programs masters in here and also the deadline when you can apply. You can see all this in deadline. So I will choose computer engineering. I will apply this program. I will apply in spring semester. So Okay, so first you have to fill up the profile. You have to fill up all your information in here, your family name, your name won't change it, your passport number, expiry date, issue date, and date of birth, and everything, your father, mother, your parents' details in here. And then you have to upload your picture in here. So then once you done, then you have to save as a draft. Then next page. In here, you have to put all your information, all your address, your phone number, your email address, all this information you have to fill out and then save as a draft. Then next page. In here, you have to fill up your education information, your bachelor information, your university name, then your graduated date, and from which country you complete. All this information you have to, your CGPA, your maximum CGPA in your university, everything you have to fill up. And then once you're done with your bachelor information, then you have to insert a new blog. You have to put your information in your diploma's uh, level and from where you complete your diploma, then issue date and everything. All these details you have to fill up in here. Then you have to save as a draft this page. The next page in here, you have to choose your native language first. From here, which one is your native language? Then you have to insert new language like your English, foreign language, how many languages you know. You have to mention in here, and also your proficiency in level you have to choose from here, and the language date additional information like if you are booked for your IELTS test, so when is the date, and if you have any additional information you can put all this information in here. Then you have to save as a draft this part. Then media file section, you have to upload that short video about yourself and your achievements. That video you have to upload in here. And then you have to save as a draft. And others information like how did you know about this university, you have to mention in here. You have to write in here if you want. Then you have to put the information in here and then save as a draft. It's just a basic information. So if you read, you will understand. It's a very basic information. So in documentation, you have to upload in here all your documents, your passport, your diploma, and your bachelor's certificate, transcript, your IELTS score, everything. All these documents you have to upload in here. Once you upload in here, you have to save as a draft, and you can check all this detailed information in here, like how many documents you upload in here. So you can check from here all. And then last, you have to signature in here. You have to give them the signature of yours. So you can signature directly from here, or you can sign with your phone. So that's totally fine. You can do from anything, like from your desktop or from your phone. That's totally fine. Once you're done, you have to save as a draft. Then you have to submit. You have to click on submit button. So you will get the notification of your application you submitted. And then you have to check the registration fee for this program. So you can see the registration fee for this program is 200 euros. So you have to pay them this registration fee for this application in this bank account. So you can see details in here. So when the deadline is for this application payment, you can see the deadline in here. All information you will get from here. Yeah, that's all. I hope this will help you all. If you have any inquiry about your application, so you can write me a comment or you can send me an email. I will respond to you as soon as possible. And if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to like and subscribe for the future videos. Thanks for watching.